to my kitchen by Nana. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make pilau rice, and we are cooking this from scratch. I'm going to be showing you how to make pilau masala, then I'll show you how to make pilau rice. It is very simple to make. Keep around till the end of the video. Pilau is a common mouth-watering dish in East Africa, seasoned with oriental spices, that is cloves, cardamon, cinnamon, black pepper, and cumin seeds. And today I'm going to make my own pilau masala. If you want to give your rice a fresh touch, you can as well just make your own pilau masala at home. What you need is to dry roast the spices that you're going to use. And for the measurements, I'll put them down below in the description box. But the cumin has to always be more than the rest of the spices. If you don't have the time, you can as well just buy from the supermarket. They always have the ground pilau masala in the spice section. You can always get it, and it's actually very cheap. After a few minutes of dry roasting, we are going to grind them in our grinder, and then the masala will be ready. Some pilau recipes contain fish, chicken, mutton, dry fruits, and vegetables, but I'm cooking the pilau with some Irish potatoes today. And to have perfect pilau, you have to wash your rice just like we did in the video. You wash it until the water is very clear, and that helps us to get very nice fluffy rice. And for the onions, we need so many of them because I used 2 large onions. We need the rice to become brown. The onions help to make the brown color of the pilau. For simple, delicious, tasty food recipes, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like, to leave your comments below, and hit the notification bell in case of any new updates. I always update twice a week. Thank you for watching the video, and please try out this recipe. You won't regret it.